This video demonstrates how to install the liquid light guide with Sutter Lambda light sources. Adjusting the insertion depth of the liquid light guide in the light source determines total output. The appropriate insertion depth for each light source will be demonstrated. Insertion depth will be about 2 mm shy of flush with the top of the DG port. For the HPX, insert the light guide to its maximum depth. The back of the liquid light guide input end is flush with the lens tube. The collar on the heatsink is secured about 1 cm from the fins. The beam is collimated at the output end of the liquid light guide and is the same procedure for all 4 light sources. With the light source powered on, direct the liquid light guide output end onto a flat surface about 10 feet away. Loosen the lens tube thumb screw and adjust the depth of the liquid light guide inside the lens tube to create a well-focused circle on the distant surface. The beam is collimated when the circle has a sharp edge and is uniform. Light spillage around the collimated beam and insertion depth will vary with adapter model. Secure the light guide in place once the beam is collimated correctly. For more information or additional technical support, please contact Sutter Instrument.